Georgia Governor Brian Kemp gave his second State of the State address today. He outlined his priorities for the 2020 legislative session. Kemp says he wants to increase teacher salaries, triple the adoption tax credit, and reduce health care costs. Atlanta Bureau Chief Archith Seshadri reports.
Georgia Governor Brian Kemp says he wants to give teachers a $2,000 pay raise.
We know the impact that a teacher can have on a student. We know that learning has the power to lift people out of poverty.
He says healthcare costs need to go down and access needs to go up.
As a father of 3, I know that a healthy home is a happy one. The same is true in our state. We also live in a state where many hard-working Georgians can't access quality health care. Premiums are too high, and many families have to compromise coverage because of the cost.
Governor Kemp vowed to end surprise hospital bills.
Families are living on a prayer because the system is rigged against them.
He says let's build a state where gangs and human traffickers want to leave and families want to stay.
We are providing the resources and training needed to put these dangerous criminals behind bars. We are working around the clock to keep our neighborhoods safe.
While Georgia Governor Brian Kemp talked about a host of issues in his State of the State address, including rural health care, increasing teacher pay, and ending gang and human trafficking in the state, Senate Democrat leaders say the plans were simply not detailed enough to move Georgia forward. Governor Kemp says he wants to lower the adoption age from 25 to 21 and triple the adoption tax credit. Reporting at the state capitol, Archith Seshadri, Atlanta Bureau Chief.